Friends, I'm Deepak Saulani, and as Sir said that he said the benefits of PEP. Yes, I would like to share some of my live examples. I joined PEP when I was student, and yes, today I am in corporate. So yes, I'm in regular in touch with Sir and what all seminars, workshops are going on in PEP. I'm continuous in touch with them. So yes, right now I see that many of them professionals are working in corporates and they are frustrated like anything. They're not getting timely salary, they are not getting good increment as they perform well, though they don't get good increment, they don't get promotions. So friends, I think that getting increment and promotion is not like that you are just having myths and you are dependent on someone else that yes you have done your good job, they will give you. No, it's not like that. It is totally an art which is taught here in PEP. To get a good job, to get a good increment, to get a good promotions, it is totally an art. How to showcase your performance, how to market yourself, which is totally taught here in PEP, Placement Empowerment Program. So yes, I would like to suggest to the professionals that kindly come and invest your 5 Sundays in PEP and see the totally change in yourself, see the change in yourself, and yes, you can develop yourself like anything. And here Sir will teach us that how to market. And yes, we are a team of 50 soldiers, volunteer soldiers. They are working professionals. Someone is the general manager, someone is the brand manager, someone is the deputy manager in one or the other company. They all come together and they all share their live examples, what all problems they have faced. And yes, as Sir is having 35 years of corporate experience, which is like it is a case study for everyone, all of us, that how to handle the boss, how to handle team, which is most important. It is always like you cannot be dependent on anyone else. So it is an art that you have to learn here, and I will request you that yes, come here. We will be having sessions of 5 Sundays and see the transparency in your career. Thank you.